Over the last couple of weeks, we finished the painting on the cabinets, the walls, the ceilings. We have to come back and do some details here that are marked on tape. And we also matched the color and shine of the older cabinets so that they could match the newer cabinets. We also installed the countertops, quartz countertops on the bar area and laundry area. We had to raise the boxes so that it could accommodate the height for the laundry. We also had to make new holes because they were way too close to the cabinets for the flush lights. We also lowered the clean out so it's not visible in the backsplash. And we're gonna be ready to install next week the exhaust for the dryer going straight to the exterior wall. On the exterior, we remove all this dirt to uncover the brick path, and we use it to fill it up all around the swimming pool and the back. We also installed this new hose bib, and we also did the gutters, so they are the same style we had before. We blocked that one there so water flows that side, and on this side water goes down, and on this side water comes here all the way down. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for next video.